Hello, it's Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. This one, I'm going to do some leg exercises, and I'm going to use the chair to do leg exercises. A very simple exercise that you can use doing the chair. I do it a lot. It's kind of one of my signature leg exercises because it's easy to do. You just cross. Basically, you use a chair, or you can use the table or something like that to get a higher position as I'm doing the exercise. And I just drag one. I put one knee over to the other side of the leg, the opposite leg, and then I drag my foot down below the plane of the exercise, the starting point of the exercise. Right, so to demonstrate, that's the theory. So this is the practice. Okay, so just put my foot on the chair. Do one leg at a time. Hold the ends of the chair at the back of the chair. Okay, and just kind of bring my knee to the opposite side of the leg, okay, and then get the calf raised at the end. See how my calf is coming up? My foot is about halfway on the chair. I bring my body weight down as far as possible to make it as difficult as possible. Alright, that's about time for that one. So, switch legs. Okay. Again, foot about halfway on the chair. Your knee to the opposite side. Come down as far as you can. And then get the calf raise at the end. Get a really nice calf raise with this exercise. I'm only using my hands to keep myself from falling over. Other than that, all of my body weight is on my foot, or on my leg and my foot. Okay, I'm bringing my knee to the opposite side, and I'm getting that calf raise at the end. Bring my body weight down as far as possible, okay? Alright, so again, one more time. Same procedure, just keep switching back and forth between legs. Okay, so this one, knee to the opposite side. Okay, and then just keep going back and forth. Get that nice leg and calf workout. Very easy to do at home. Very effective. And you will notice that your legs get tired fairly quickly. Oh, yes, they do. Okay, so just keep going. And you can even mix this up with some frog jumps or something if you want to. And you'll notice that your legs get tired fairly quickly as you're doing this. Alright. Again, opposite leg. Okay. And like I said, I'm going to take a quick breather. Like I said, you can mix this up with some frog jumps if you want to, or another type of leg exercise like lunges or something like that. I mean, I can even do hold like this and just do some lunges. Something like that. So you can mix it up with another leg exercise, if you want to. If you want an add-on or a secondary exercise at the same time, or just do some frog jumps. Frog jumps are really great for your legs. That's why frogs have such strong legs. There you go. Frog jumps work. All right, so let's continue. Okay, again, this is really so good for the calves too. It adds a lot of definition to the calves. Okay, I'm bringing my body weight down as far as possible. My body weight's coming down as far as possible. Okay. And then lifting yourself back up. My hands are only on the chair for balance. I've got no weight on my hands. I'm not pushing up with my hands, I'm only pushing up with my leg. challenging after a while. And like I said, if you want, you can mix it up with one of my favorite leg exercises, especially as a secondary exercise, is the frog jumps. Okay. Oh, I got a little off balance there. All right, let's try moving. Either my legs are just gave out on me or something. Okay. Yeah, frog jumps. Frog jumps are fantastic as a secondary exercise. I want you to really feel it right here in your inner thighs. Man, those are really, really effective, especially as an add-on. You can do them as a primary exercise, but you can also do them as a secondary. And they're very effective. They go really well with just about any other leg exercise. Oh, okay. Boy, you really feel them right away. And you really feel it quickly. All right, so let's jump back to our primary exercise today, our featured attraction. And finish these ones up. Okay. I'm starting to reach my terminal points of failure with this. Yeah, especially with the frog jumps, it really tires your legs out quickly. You get that aerobic element in there too as you're doing the frog jump because you're jumping. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of reaching the terminal points of failure. I can't really do anymore. All I can do is kind of focus on the negative resistance as I'm finishing those exercises. So I'm going to do another few frog jumps. Just make sure you breathe in and out normally as you're doing them. God, and they go so well. The frog jumps go so well with other leg exercises as an add-on. Great stuff. And the jumping up and down, just kind of gets your heart rate going. And, if your heart rate isn't going already, well, let's hope it's going. It'll get going a little bit quicker, Okay. Okay. Woo! So that's feeling pretty good. We'll try a couple more of these. If not, we'll just do some isometrics and stop and holds. Okay. I'm just going to stop and hold kind of in the middle range of the position to really get that negative resistance. Okay. Whew. All right. And do a couple more frog jumps. A couple more frog jumps as a secondary. Okay. Woo. Nice leg work. Feel it in your butt too, The frog jumps are very good for your butt, if you want to strengthen that up and just firm it up, so it looks good. It's always a good idea to have firm, toned, strong muscles. Certainly looks better than the alternative, let's just say. Okay, so let's do a couple more frog jumps. Okay. Very effective, very nice workout. Okay, anyway. So that's it. This one, doing the leg lifts, the chair as the primary exercise, and then frog jumps as an add-on. Very nice leg workouts. You get nice toned legs that are built up well and look good in summertime or whatever, if you want to wear shorts or whatever. All right, so this is Byron Spider-Man coming here to Spider-Man and look at you in the eye. Anyway, so that is a very, very effective workout that you can do in a very short amount of time. That was 10 minutes for a complete leg workout. So I am not, my legs, I probably won't be able to walk tomorrow. No, let's hope I can. But it's very easy to do with the chair in your hotel if you're traveling like I am right now. So it's so easy to get this exercise in your spare time, on your own time. And it's so quick and easy, and you will get nice legs. You will get nice toned legs, which is what we're all after. Hopefully, we're all after. Anyway, so this is Byron signing off. And just remember to everyone out there to stay motivated to work out at home, okay? Stay motivated to work out at home, man. It's so easy to do. There's no excuses. There's no drive for the gym. It's free. You don't got to wait for machines or anything like that. Anyway, this is Byron signing off, and we'll see you next time in the next video. And hope that everyone stays strong out there. What do we say? Stay strong.